So the health sciences program is an awesome way for students to explore a variety of healthcare careers. I think a lot of people don't understand that the healthcare field has such diversity in different entry points into healthcare. I think the health sciences program does a really great job of letting students explore a lot of those different avenues where they can get hands-on experience to see what they like or don't like about different roles within healthcare.
Oh, this program is great for anybody who is interested in healthcare or just kind of wants to see what's out there in the medical field. I also really encourage students to take this program if they want to learn more about their own health or their family's health.
I've learned so many things. I've learned how to take someone's vitals. I've learned all about not only other people's bodies, but my body myself. And I'm gonna be learning how to draw blood here soon.
In my medical assisting class, we actually just started phlebotomy. So that is taking someone's blood through their veins. And that's been a really cool experience because I've had my blood taken, but obviously I didn't know like all the different specifics that go into it. So it's a little scary right now because obviously you're poking into someone's veins. You know, like that's used for diagnostics and that'll help diagnose a lot of patients. So the fact that like I get to be a part of that is really awesome.
Students can explore the health sciences program as a freshman or sophomore in our introductory course. And then later on, if they decide to take the program, we have classes on human anatomy, and then they explore different healthcare roles. And then their senior year, they can choose to be in our medical assisting program, our dental assisting program, or our pharmacy tech program, where they can graduate with those credentials and start in the workforce.
One of my favorite projects was in the beginning of junior year when we were doing our little modules where we learned from each thing. I really liked looking at dental x-rays. I personally myself am not going into dentals. I just really like looking at the x-rays and doing projects off of them.
With the medical assisting class, that's a credentialing class. So students will actually earn their medical assisting credential when they graduate high school, which saves them so much time and money. All day in that class, we are practicing clinical skills, injections and blood draws and vitals. So it's really hands-on and it's really cool to see students in this professional way.
One thing I've learned directly from the class is, just all the skills, being able to take blood pressure and like do injections and all that stuff. But outside of just clinical skills, I've learned how to interact with people and how to just care for people.
So I was in foster care for like 9 years, and then I came to Oregon, and I was pretty lost. I didn't know what to do after high school. And I feel like coming into this class taught me to like not be shy and like just go out there and do something even if you might fail.
I think it's really important to talk about Miss Lewis because she has really impacted my life. Oh my gosh. She's really goal-driven to seeing her students succeed after high school. And she has done the best to prepare us. It just has really touched my heart on how much she cares. And yeah, I'm going to be the first one in my family to graduate in like 3 generations. And I'm so thankful for her to come into all of our lives.
We focus a lot on patient care, and so I hope that students, when they leave our program, that they will be the type of healthcare provider that has a lot of compassion for their patients, and that they will make their patients feel respected and heard, and that they will really personalize their care for each patient to see what each patient really needs.
I hope students will gain some confidence for after high school, whether that's they jump right into the workforce or they continue their education in college. I also really hope that they find a passion for healthcare and helping others because it's such a rewarding field.